Do you have an amazing invention but feel lost when it comes to securing a patent? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm giving you the ultimate guide to patent filing so you can protect your ideas and innovations confidently. Hey everyone, I'm Schell. I'm a patent lawyer with over 15 years of experience and 2 8-figure exits under my belt. Today I'm covering what you as an inventor need to know about filing a patent from start to finish. So first up, what exactly is patent filing and why does it matter? Simply put, filing a patent application really means submitting your invention to the patent office. Doing this gives you legal rights and patent pending protection and starts the process of being able to prevent others from making, using, or selling your invention. Now, one of the questions that I often hear is what's the difference between a provisional patent application and a non-provisional patent application? Well, simply put, a provisional patent application is like a placeholder application. It's a temporary placeholder that gives you 1 year to further develop your invention. A non-provisional patent application, on the other hand, is the more formal application that is reviewed by the patent examiners at the patent office. Only a non-provisional patent application can ultimately become an enforceable patent. But both a provisional patent application and a non-provisional patent application establish patent pending status, which is useful because they both establish the priority date where you have submitted your invention to the patent office with the intent to ultimately achieve a patent. Okay, so let's break down the key steps in the patent filing process. As an inventor, the first thing that you want to do before you even share your invention with anyone else is to thoroughly document your invention. As much as is possible, you want to try to capture every detail clearly. Then next, you're going to want to conduct a thorough patent search to the extent that you can to see whether or not your invention is truly unique. Then third, you're going to very carefully prepare a patent application and ensure that it meets all of the patent office guidelines. Finally, you're going to file the patent application with the patent office and then monitor the docket associated with the patent application to make sure that you don't miss any communications from the patent office very, very carefully. All of the above you should only do with the help of an experienced patent attorney. There are so many cases that I see where inventors try to start the process on their own, but ultimately make mistakes that later on I can't help them correct. So it's absolutely critical that whoever you work with, make sure that you find an experienced patent attorney that can help you navigate the process successfully. Once you file the non-provisional patent application, which can come up to 12 months after filing a provisional patent application, or if you haven't filed a provisional patent application, you can just simply start with a non-provisional patent application, you'll likely receive what's called an office action. An office action simply is a formal response from a patent examiner at the patent office detailing whether or not your claims that you've written into your patent application have been accepted, rejected, or objected to. When you receive your first office action, you shouldn't panic. Office actions are extremely common. But responding effectively to your office action is critical when it comes to maximizing the value of a patent that ultimately issues from your patent application. This is especially where the assistance of an experienced patent attorney is crucial, but the quality of that assistance depends in large part upon the quality of the patent application that you initially filed. So as a patent lawyer, I can't necessarily effectively help you if you filed a bad patent application to start with. So for these reasons, it's really important for you as an inventor to make sure that you're working with an experienced patent attorney even when you're drafting your earliest patent application, which could even be a provisional patent application. Another question that I often hear is, can I speed up the patent process? Generally speaking, the answer to that question is yes. Here are a few ways to speed up the process of patent examination. First, you might consider the USPTO's Track 1 program for prioritized examination. The Track 1 program ensures that any patent application that meets a list of requirements, which your patent attorney can help you understand, can receive a final decision on that patent application within 12 months of filing. The way it works is this. Essentially, you file a fee to expedite examination of your patent application, and you're guaranteed to receive a final decision on that patent application within 12 months, as long as you meet the requirements of the Patent Office. As of 2025, that fee was about $1,800 on top of the normal fee of $800, or about $800, for what's called a small entity with the Patent Office. So if you're looking to speed up the process of patent examination, one of the first things I would consider is filing your application with a request for prioritized examination and then paying the required fee. There are other programs within the Patent Office to expedite patent applications. One of the most common ones that I see is petitioning to expedite based on age. So if you're an inventor that's over 65 years old, you may want to consider to petition the Patent Office to expedite examination of your patent application based on age. Okay, so let's talk money. Budgeting for your patent application is essential. The costs of patent filing typically include patent attorney fees, filing fees, and the fees associated with preparing drawings or illustrations for your patent application. You also have to keep in mind that you will have to pay maintenance fees after your patent is issued at 3.5 years, 7.5 years, and 11.5 years. So even after you get a patent, you still have to pay to maintain the patent or keep the patent valid. All of these fees are available on the USPTO website, and I encourage you going there to check the current fees because they change quite regularly. But when it comes to budgeting for a patent, planning ahead is essential because it can save you from any surprises. So when it comes to filing a patent application, having a solid patent filing strategy is more than just busy work or paperwork. It's about protecting innovation, securing investments, and gaining a competitive advantage. If you're ready to get serious about protecting your innovation, the team here at Schell IP is ready to help. Check out our detailed guide to patent filing linked in the description below, or click the schedule link to book a free consultation with a patent lawyer at Schell IP. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel for more patent tips.